Hey guys, Easy Plays here, and today we are going to make some slime. So, I decided that I should upload a video because it's been so long since I uploaded one. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys, or should I call it make a tutorial about how to make a slime. So let's get on to the video. The first thing that you're gonna need is Elmer's glue. Next, you're gonna need a slime activator, and I'm using liquid detergent, but you can use a powdered detergent, contact lens solution, eye drops, borax, Staflo. You can use any activators that you know. Next, you're gonna need 2 containers. I am using the small one for the liquid detergent so it won't get messy, and the big one for the slime where I'm gonna mix. And you're gonna need a spoon, which I'm going to mix with my slime, and a acrylic paint, which is optional. So I'm using red acrylic paint, and you can use any. You can use food coloring too. First, I'm gonna get my small container and my slime activator, which is the liquid detergent. I'm gonna cut it open and pour it in my container. After the liquid detergent, I am going to get my bowl or my container, my spoon, and my Elmer's glue. So first I'm going to open my Elmer's glue and I'm gonna put it in my container. Now I'm going to get my liquid detergent, aka my slime activator, and I will put it in the bowl where my glue is. So remember not to put too much, as it could ruin the slime consistency. So make sure you do it little by little. That is if you want to do it right. Well, it really is up to you whether you want your slime to be foamy, firm, or sticky. So all you have to do is mix, mix, mix. Now you're gonna need a lot of patience here, guys. So after you mix your slime, if you think your consistency is right, you're gonna take your slime and knead it with your hands. Now if you think you need more liquid detergent, you can just add more. So all you have to do is knead until you get that kind of dry and moistured consistency in your hands. Now that our slime is done, we're gonna get our red acrylic paint or any food coloring that you can use. And I'm going to get the end of the spoon and spread the paint all over my slime like a peanut butter. Now we're going to fold it and fold and fold and fold. Then we can stretch it and fold back and forth until the color is
spread all over the slime, and it will have the pink color since the color that I added is red.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, a comment if you want me to make another kind of slime. If you want me to make fluffy slime, iceberg slime, crunchy slime, anything. So just make sure to comment down below. So this is the slime that we dyed. This is the slime that we made. So peace out.